Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find STO or Stakestone wallet address on Binance. As you know, STO just get list on Binance. This is the charge, and if you want to transfer your STO, it's very easy. First, you can open your Binance apps and go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then as you can see, there is deposit option. You can click it. And then now you can search STO and click this one. And then you can choose the network. I will choose BNB Smart Chain because it's cheaper. And this is your STO wallet address. You can copy it or and then this is your STO wallet address. You can copy it or you can scan it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.